If you are a Mac user, in this video you will learn how to connect to the cluster. In the previous part, we learned how to set up the cluster. Let's get the domain name service of the master. Click to connect to the master node, go to Mac Linux tab, and copy the domain. Open the terminal. But first, let's double check the name of our authentication file. My new key is the name of the file. Let's go to this Mac. Here's mynewkey.cer. Let's go back to the terminal, and I'm gonna paste the entire connection command here, but I'm going to change the file format to CER and change the permissions to the key. So also the directory, so my new key is under downloads, and then change the permission. Let's do a chmod here, 400, and click enter. Now we can connect. So connection command, make sure downloads is added there because my new key is located in the downloads folder, and click enter. Then you should be in. Sometimes you will be asked for a confirmation. Type yes, and then you should be in. Now that you are connected to the cluster, let me show you how we can transfer files. For that, we're going to use FileZilla. If you don't have FileZilla, go ahead and download it from the web. Open FileZilla, and in the host name, I'm going to paste the entire command, and I'm going to delete everything that is before EC2. Delete everything there. Username is going to be Hadoop, and port is 22. Leave the password empty. On the FileZilla, go to Settings, FileZilla Settings, Secure FTP. Here is a key previously, so let me remove that key. It was for my previous work there. So here I'm going to add the key. So here's in the downloads, my new key. Click open, and the key is already added. Click OK, and now we do quick connect. Click OK, and the connection is successful. So in the left side is the files in our computer, in my Mac. On the right side are the files in the EMR. For example, I'm going to drag this file. I'm going to drag and drop there. Transfer successful. Let me drag another file just for the illustration here. There's a jar file. That's it. That's how we use FTP to transfer the files. Let's go back to the terminal and do an ls here to confirm that the files have arrived. Great. At this point, we know how to set up an EMR cluster in Amazon Web Services. We also know how to connect our computer to the cluster via Secure Shell protocol. We also know how to transfer files back and forth from our computer to the EMR. With this setup, we are ready to perform big data analytics. Let's start. If you want to learn more about big data analytics, subscribe to this channel. Also, follow me on Twitter at Professor Benny, or join my LinkedIn network. You can always email me with any questions.